talk a little more about the technology, but since you brought this up about this idea of more training for personnel, let's bear on this because it does have a lot of ramifications for the people sitting in this audience. Gunvar, I want to get your thoughts on this, and then of course your Hege, yours, and yours, of course. Yeah.
I think we see during the last 5 years that simulators have come much more into the industry, and I think it will just expand. And if we see how much they train with the airplanes and the captains there on the unexpected, we need to do much more of that in the years. Excuse me, in the years to come. So I think there will be a revolution in simulators going forward. The training part, I think that is the most difficult because Norway has 40 years or so of experience within the oil and gas industry. It is easy to transfer formal education, and you can educate 7 million engineers a year, and that is very good. But they need training, and that is the thing maybe the industry can do more about. We can take in more trainees to put them together with experienced people so they can learn maybe a little bit faster, but they need experience, and experience you get through training.
Yeah, Hege.
I absolutely agree that, is this working?
Yeah.
No, it's working. Yes, I absolutely agree. Training is crucial, and simulators are also crucial. I think we have like 4 or 5 simulators around the world where we take people in and train them, and it's not only our people, but it's also the customers' people. But I must say I disagree with you though on that automation is not the future, because I really believe that if we can automate much more, the operator can focus on, for example, the well itself instead of being the machine operator. A control system can easily do that, and much better than me, because I do mistakes sometimes, not all the time, but we do make mistakes. So, but definitely to train for the unexpected, as you said, is very important.
Yeah, Martin, you wanted to come back on that because she disagreed with you.
Yeah, I'm not going to make to start an argument.
Well, please do.
Because in a way I do agree. Automation is definitely way forward. Anything that can be automated should be automated, really, so that we can concentrate on the important issues. And I think we need to keep in mind that people is probably the best barriers we have for major accidents and incidents. I mean, you can program whatever you want, and I'm sure the professor can do that very well. But when things happen that are not planned for, and a lot of things will not be planned for, you need people there to have knowledge, experience, and something to take the actions that are not already reprogrammed.
Christina, you were talking about the need for bigger vessels, for instance. Your thoughts on training versus automation? Yeah.
Yeah, I think our processes are very different than the ones from the oil and gas and then the shipping in general. I think just a comment, we grew out of the energy sector and the onshore, and then we moved that to the sea. And from a health and safety perspective, it would probably have been better for us to grow out of the shipping and the oil and gas industry. So we are learning a lot and can learn a lot from this.